Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add volume profile on a Tradovate chart. So first of all, you need to log in into your Tradovate account and then launch the chart of that particular futures contract that you want to analyze. Now, when you are here on the chart on the top left hand corner, you are going to see these types of options. So among these options, simply click on the option of chart settings. Now in the chart settings, you will find the option of day volume profile. So you just have to simply click on it. Now, as soon as you click on it, you are going to see the volume profile on your chart. Now over here, you can just simply start using it in order to analyze your chart. You can use in whichever manner you like. You can hover over to this particular section and you can use your mouse scroll wheel in order to basically zoom in and zoom it out, just like I'm doing it over here. So that's how basically you can add and you can basically start using this indicator. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.